Earl Nightingale. Earl Nightingale was an American radio speaker and author who dealt mostly with the subjects of human character development, motivation, and meaningful existence. Top 20 quotes. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. One hour per day of study in your chosen field is all it takes. 1 hour per day of study will put you at the top of your field within 3 years. Within 5 years, you'll be a national authority. In 7 years, you can be one of the best people in the world at what you do. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. Now, success is not the result of making money. Making money is the result of success, and success is in direct proportion to our service. Most people have this law backward. They believe that you're successful if you earn a lot of money. The truth is that you can only earn money after you're successful. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Think how really precious is the time you have to spend, whether it's at work or with your family. Every minute should be enjoyed and savored. Successful people are not people without problems. They are people who have learned to solve their problems. Whenever we're afraid, it's because we don't know enough. If we understood enough, we would never be afraid. Open your ears before you open your mouth. It may surprise your eyes. By being persistent, you're demonstrating faith. Persistence is simply another word for faith. If you didn't have faith, you'd never persist. Security isn't what the wise person looks for, it's opportunity. That's the secret. Be interesting. If you can't be interested, shut up. There's nothing wrong with silence. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. Don't take the attitude of waiting for people to be nice to you. Be nice to them. Don't sit in front of a cold stove waiting for the heat. Put in the fuel. Act first. Control your thoughts. Decide about that which you will think and concentrate upon. You are in charge of your life to the degree you take charge of your thoughts. The paradox is that exactly the reverse is true. Everything that's really worthwhile in life came to us free. Our minds, our souls, our bodies, our hopes, our dreams, our ambitions, our intelligence, our love of family and children and friends and country. All these priceless possessions are free. But the things that cost us money are actually very cheap and can be replaced at any time. A good man can be completely wiped out and make another fortune. He can do that several times. Even if our home burns down, we can rebuild it. But the things we got for nothing, we can never replace. Watch what everyone else does. Do the opposite. The majority is always wrong. Don't concern yourself too much with how you are going to achieve your goal. Leave that completely to a power greater than yourself. All you have to do is know where you're going. The answers will come to you of their own accord and at the right time. We must radiate success before it will come to us. We must first become mentally, from an attitude standpoint, the people we wish to become. Thanks for watching the video on our YouTube channel Top 20 Quotes. In our channel, there are many more quotes from interesting people.